So somebody is asking, easy DXY ni nini? So DXY is US dollar index, as you can see here, US dollar index. So DXY just, it tracks the US dollars. It shows the strength and weaknesses of US dollar, or how the US dollar is performing. So that is literally what DXY is. So most of the time, we normally use DXY with major currency pairs. So one thing that major currency pairs have in common is that they have USD in the pair. It can either be a base or it can. So one thing that all major currencies have in common is they have USD in the pair. It can either be a base or it can be a quote. It doesn't matter, as long as you have USD in the pair. That is what normally forms our, of course, with the major countries, that is what normally forms our major currencies. So now you're wondering, why are we interested in DXY? Why do we keep saying DXY? That is because most people, especially beginners, they normally trade major pairs. So if DXY has a relationship with major pairs because they have USD in it, it's good to use DXY to try and determine what other pairs will do. So now, we normally have pairs that are positively correlated with DXY and those that are negatively correlated with DXY. So pairs that are positively correlated with DXY, you will find they normally have USD as the base. USD is normally the base pair. So now, like for example, USD JPY, it starts with USD, so it's positively correlated with DXY, which means if DXY is bullish, you should also expect USD JPY to be bullish. Also, USD CAD, it's positively correlated with DXY. Then you have USD CHF, also that one is positively correlated with DXY. On the other hand, we have pairs that are negatively correlated with the DXY. So pairs that are negatively correlated with the DXY, it means they move the opposite. If DXY is bullish, those pairs will be bearish. And most of the time, you'll find that those major pairs that have a negative correlation with the DXY, they normally have USD as the quote, the second. So now, for example, Euro USD, USD is the second, so it's negatively correlated. GBP USD, USD is the second, so it's negatively correlated. AUD USD, it's negatively correlated. NZD USD is negatively correlated because USD is the second. Even gold is XAU USD, USD is the second, it's the quote. So also that one is negatively correlated. So that is why we like to find out what DXY is doing, because once you know what DXY is doing,